I am Asılbek Айару. I study at school number 5 by Ivan Vasilyevich Panfilov. Mukhaghalim Makatav. 3 happy things. My biggest happiness in life is you, my people. And if my people live, it means that I live too. I give the honey of my poems to my nation. This simple happiness means more than gold to me. My second happiness is you, my dear native tongue. The heartstone grenade heart I melted with the world. And all because I always learn from my native tongue that taught me all the truth and kindness in the world. And my third happiness is you, my dear motherland. Whoever stands for different things in life, and I will stand for you. Come here, my friend, and I will share my fire with you. Could an extinguished home fire be light again? There's 3 things of happiness lie there on my carrying palms. I'm the richest man, and no one but Danny. Like bright 3 suns in the cloudy sky are shining, and underneath are Atrao, Alatau, and Altai. Translated from Kazakh by Zina Urumbasarova.